Video opens with dynamic shots of a sleek Denon AVR-X1800H, then cuts to immersive home theater scenes with rich audio and vibrant visuals. Is your home entertainment system just existing? Are you ready to stop watching movies and start living them? To not just hear your games, but feel every explosion? Then prepare to have your world transformed, because today we're diving deep into the Denon AVR-X1800H 7.2 channel AV stereo receiver. And trust me, this isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution for your living room. From the moment you power this beauty on, the Denon AVR-X1800H makes its intentions clear to deliver an unparalleled sensory experience. Let's talk about the sound, because this receiver is an audio powerhouse. It boasts full support for Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and DTS Virtual, X, creating truly multidimensional audio that moves around you, above you, putting you right in the heart of the action. Imagine helicopters flying directly overhead or raindrops gently falling from the ceiling. That's the kind of immersion we're talking about. And for those of us who can't install ceiling speakers, Denon's height virtualization technology is a game changer, intelligently simulating those overhead effects without the physical channels. It's pure magic, filling small to medium rooms with breathtaking, cinematic sound that you have to hear to believe. But what good is incredible sound without equally stunning visuals? This is where the AVR-X1800H truly shines with its advanced 8K HDMI video section. Featuring 3 dedicated 8K inputs and 1 8K output, you're not just future-proofing your setup, you're living in the future now. Experience crystal clear 8K per 60 Hz or buttersmooth 4K per 120 Hz pass-through, perfect for the latest consoles and media players. And it doesn't stop there. With support for Dolby Vision, HLG, HDR10+, and Dynamic HDR, every scene explodes with vibrant colors, incredible contrast, and lifelike detail. Plus, with up to 40 gigabits per second bandwidth, you get lag-free gaming and seamless video, ensuring every pixel is precisely where it should be. And it's not just about what's plugged in. The Denon AVR-X1800H liberates your music with unlimited wireless streaming capabilities. Thanks to built-in HEOS multi-room technology, you can enjoy a different song in every room, or sync them all up for a house-wide party. Stream effortlessly from your favorite services like Spotify, Tidal, and Amazon Music HD via Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, or Bluetooth. Your entire music library is at your fingertips, ready to fill your home with high-fidelity audio, all controlled with incredible ease. Setting it up is a breeze too, with an award-winning on-screen guide that walks you through every step, even color-coding the back panel for ultimate simplicity. The Denon AVR-X1800H isn't just an AV receiver. It's the heart of a truly modern, immersive home entertainment system. It brings together cutting-edge audio, stunning video, and seamless wireless connectivity in one powerful, user-friendly package. Stop just watching and listening. Start experiencing. Unleash the full potential of your movies, music, and games. Ready to transform your home theater? Find the link in the description below to learn more and grab your own Denon AVR-X1800H. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert tech reviews.